Are you looking to indulge in your favorite fried foods guilt-free? The Nuwave Brio 8QT air fryer is here to revolutionize your cooking experience. With its powerful 1,800 watts motor, intuitive controls, and innovative features, this air fryer is designed to deliver crispy, delicious meals with ease. From adjustable cooking settings to integrated smart technology, the Brio has it all. Join us as we dive into the details that make this appliance a must-have for every health-conscious and time-conscious individual. Here are the key features of Nuwave Brio 8QT air fryer. On-the-fly adjustments for customized cooking. Say goodbye to the frustration of having to restart the cooking process. With the Nuwave Brio air fryer, you can make adjustments on the fly. Whether you want a higher temperature or need to cook your food for a bit longer, simply adjust the settings without any hassle. The Brio's intuitive digital controls respond immediately, providing you with ultimate control over your cooking process. Fit up to 3 pounds of French fries, 3 pounds of wings, or a 5-pound chicken with ease and precision. Healthier fried food and effortless cleanup. Indulge in the irresistible taste of fried food without the guilt. The Nuwave Brio air fryer utilizes superheated air and an efficient airflow designed to cook crispy, delicious meals with minimal oil and added fats. Enjoy all your favorites, from frozen to fresh, without the need for defrosting. The Ultra Non-Stick Air Circulation Riser is perfect for grilling and air frying, while the premium stainless steel reversible rack allows for multi-layer cooking. And when it comes to cleanup, the dishwasher-safe components make it a breeze. Integrated digital temperature probe for perfect results. Achieving the perfect doneness has never been easier. The Nuwave Brio air fryer features an integrated digital temperature probe that monitors the internal temperature of your food throughout the cooking process. Set your desired temperature, sit back, and relax while the Brio takes care of the rest. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals, as the Brio ensures precise cooking every time. Pre-programmed menu presets and convenience at your fingertips. Experience the ultimate convenience of the Nuwave Brio air fryer with its pre-programmed menu presets. With 100 preset options for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting, and more, you have endless culinary possibilities at your fingertips. Additionally, the Brio offers 50 memory slots where you can save and recall your own favorite recipes. It's the perfect appliance for busy households on the go, combining capacity and versatility. Patented linear T technology for precise cooking. The Nuwave Brio air fryer sets itself apart with its patented linear T technology. Set cooking temperatures from 50 degF to 400 degF in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, and the Brio ensures accurate temperature maintenance throughout the entire cooking process. By continuously monitoring temperature fluctuations and making constant power adjustments, the Brio guarantees perfect results. Unlike traditional on-off heating methods, the Brio's heater never turns off, ensuring consistent cooking performance. Conclusion: the Nuwave Brio 8QT air fryer is a game-changer in the realm of healthy and hassle-free cooking. With its powerful performance, adjustable settings, integrated smart technology, and patented linear T technology, this appliance offers an unmatched culinary experience. Enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the guilt, and say goodbye to time-consuming cleanup. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal with the Nuwave Brio air fryer and embark on a journey of effortless cooking and mouth-watering results.